Good day, madam and sirs. Our home service for today is about Samsung 70 flashings display only and blinking indicator light. For Samsung model, we've always checked the lower sides because these areas are prone to burning because of shorted signals.
Pares lang daw.
Mabubuhay, mamamatay.
Shorted sa panel. Walang init. Hindi may init sa kanto.
Mainit?
Hindi naman.
Ayun.
75 ba to? 70. Akala mo ka ha?
So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Here is the model number of their TV. So this is the signals or the components that having as shorted signals.
Laki nga ng tinipid eh.
We not recommend to DIY this technique because it's complicated. If you love your money, I'll ask your TV. Let the technicians do that job we repair this via tape method.
Pera kasi sa kanila eh.
To achieve the quality service, don't forget to clean the panel as always. Luckily, there is no any lines or dead pixels
Super linaw. Gawa natin ng maayos.
because sometimes it has, and we can't control that. And if it has a dead pixels, we don't have choice. Just accept the course of your TV. The important you can watch again, then buy again. See you in my next videos, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please, SMD Electronics.